Yes, please, I look on stick. Could have to cook up on the pan side, you know? Alright. Let's try it. So, guys, as before, look on stick like cook up on the pan side, you know? Get some fish and roast it. So, I'm gonna look out for the one here. There. So guys, look out for the one here. So remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I'm cutting up on the pan side, so soon come. First one. Are you ready to come ready there?
Yeah.
So we'll take a win to start with again. I'm going to take it to the video. Really feel it. Every day fishing day, but every day catching day. Fishing day, not catching day.
Yeah, my daddy's very failing. He's failing at fishing.
1, 2, 4.
Well, that's the only fish.
Fine. Only time.
Daddy, why didn't you put him in the worm? He's gonna eat all the worms.
Wait, what am I doing? I keep going with the land because I'm hungry. Keep going with some stick.
You like back at cold?
Yeah. You find it cold?
Oh, no.
Yeah, man, that's video.
What's it, bro?
Point at the coal.
Yeah.
The coal are very cozy. Hey, look at the coal. Buddy. You're making fire on the grass?
Yes.
Very weird.
Eh, but you can stick on to find it too.
Oh, fire, fire.
But you put in there.
There's no fire.
No, what's it about that, man?
Oh, that's fire. There's a fire right here. Are you using all the coal?
Mm-hmm.
You put on the pot pan and fry them together.
Whip.
We're gonna fry those 2 fishes.
Right now?
Yeah. And then look some stick to the breadfruit. Alright?
I'm gonna help.
You can fry fish?
No, but I can help with the way. There's a little fire in there.
That little fire going to a big fire.
Yeah. You're just building a little house for it.
Yes.
To keep all the air away.
Alright, peeps. So we'll go on the fire catch up on now.
Should I put grass in there?
No, you're crazy. You put grass on the fire.
Go.
But I'm just gonna burn the fire.
Alright, peeps. So
More fire.
after that, put it back in the bag. Put it in the bag, ma'am.
In the pocket or the big part?
Yeah, the pocket.
Wait.
What about the food for me?
Well, that's a big piece. Are you stealing? Why did you hit him? Is he alive or dead?
Dead.
So you just hit him?
Yes.
So all of them are dead? Some of them.
So you can pay a big one in a frame. Pay a one.
Duck.
Where have him?
That's
Alright, peeps, so we want to clean the fish them and we're done. Blink back.
I don't like it trouble.
Chef and London, no.
I don't like it trouble.
Highlander.
Aye.
We get fish, but it's tiny. Not fish. I'm just gonna.
I peep so get the fish and wash off now and season up. Get 2 sticks that side, put the pot pan. So soon. Alright guys, so see there, fish them well clear now. Coal fire ready. The fish pan for your roast game speed. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Yeah, the bun of it. Fresh, fresh. Can't get no fresher than that. Just sketch. Soft liquid sit there now to go across here. Put the pot pan. And so it stick them here. So coconut bone coffee.
Big.
Fry coffee with the breadfruit. Right.
Let him burn, I guess. This is tomato rice.
Come.
Walking with me, walking. Something of. And bring cute fish.
Come closer. Come step right there. See there? Real outdoor style and put the fish right on the side to go and take some meat. Alright. So push them down a bit and clean up. Maggi season. And with salt. You might call 5 people in case you get a big fish roast up, but boy, that not going to do that at all. And we plate the cooking oil. Alright.
One.
Oh, oily. What are you gonna do with the pan?
We're gonna fry the fish.
But that one's just on the side.
That roasting.
Then the one it roasts the fish.
Alright.
What you doing right now?
I can put seasoning.
Yeah.
What kind of seasoning is it?
Salt.
Salt?
Yeah.
Salty fish? I don't like salty fish.
And the Maggi. All purpose.
Maggi seasoning.
Alright.
Maggi seasoning. That fish is just looking at right at us.
Yeah, fresh fish. Straight from the pan to the fire.
Oh, I didn't know you were gonna chop off. Here's the first coat fire.
screwdriver.
Light up a brush of fire.
Give me a screwdriver. No, me can't find. What I got in
Can you brush it in?
Eh? Yes, I got
Alright peeps, so brush up fire that, you know. And see fish, what you're going hot, the oil going hot, then we try and fish them. Alright. Alright, now fire through him. Alright, please focus here.
I want to check out more. Shit, no too.
Big fish that.
Look what down the telephone in there, man. Okay, then I can run go. Burn up to us.
Alright, on the plate. So roasting breadfruit and frying fish. Pan the pan side. So from the pan to the pot.
There's something on this piece.
Oh, quality highlight boat. Alright, let's see the young fry. Let's do more left.
It's literally yellow.
The fry. Let's put the roast. Let's return. This way fish come over and we don't know. But lean up. Alright, make it air go and you don't put on the rest of it.
Good for us. You're peeling it now?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Looks so black on the outside.
And it's really hot.
Really hot?
Mm-hmm.
Does it just come from the fire?
And keep it on the breadfruit.
Keeping on the breadfruit. Yum, yum, yum. It smells yummy. Ooh.
Hot easy.
Open it?
Mm-hmm.
Nggak dikasih bisa.
Fish one very easy. Boom. Alright peeps, so right it's the end of every day now. At least. I'm not sure. Maybe add some more clip to this, you know, because there's some more fish right here, so I'm gonna get wash off and also drink some water because I'm really thirsty. And you see, night I come after 5 now. 5:16 to be exact, you know? Yeah? Yeah, man, wash them off. Yeah, so well guys, look more. I'm catching up my next video, so remember, like, comment, share and subscribe, and also go over to Outdoor Cooking Adventure TV. What's your name? Outdoor Adventure TV, yeah. Well, I'm put it up, so now I see it. The man go and do anything, so go over there and support, you know. Then do a fever grass rice that me rate it bad style that I'm gonna try it. So anybody watch them video and subscribe, you know. Our next young YouTuber like myself go and do your ride. Yeah, so look more.
Oh, there you
Give me my salt in for easy.
Yeah, I'm salting it.
My salt there can eat it.
Go up and down.
Again. Push. Come.
Ada, you know.